Hello, Fiverr sellers. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can take cash advance from Fiverr for hiring an employee or for providing uh, some amount to your for running ads or anything you want to use this amount for growing your business. So let's go to the Fiverr platform. You will first of all open your Fiverr seller account, whether you are a digital marketer, content writer, photo editor, video editor, or any service you are providing at Fiverr. You will be selected by the exclusively by the Fiverr that whether you are eligible for the cash advance or not. So let's go. If you are eligible, then you will go into your my business account earnings here overview of your total earnings financial documents, then go into cash advance. Here, this is the cash advance dashboard. Get your cash advance. So Fiverr over based on the history of your uh, selling prices and selling history, Fiverr selects you and approves some of the loan. So here I have been approved at $300, right? So go to it and move on, continue, read terms and conditions. So you will keep in mind that for the cash advance of $300, you will have to pay $361 to Fiverr account. That will be deducted gradually from your next orders. You will have not to pay mm, just after. There is no limit to pay this uh, cash advance, right? So go down, select I read and agree to Fiverr Cash Advance terms, then enter your name, write your complete name, and click on it. You will be approved $300. Thank you so much for watching.